Hello viewers, today we are going to start hand embroidery on a summer shirt. We are using this light pink color, up color shade of pink, which is suitable for summers, and we have made this pattern using a lead pencil. And now we are going to make a stem stitch. We have already made. Now we will tell you how to make it, and we are using anchor threads, green color thread. First of all, we are making stem stitch. We are using needle. We are going to make a sunflower pattern. You can buy these frames also from the market. These are available in different sizes. Embroidery frames. Like this we will make the whole stem. We are separating the threads. We are going to use 3 strands. Total these are 6. We are going to use 3. Like this. We are putting the thread into the needle. And doing knot. Now starting our lazy daisy stitch. In this way. Okay, like this. Using this same stitch, make all the petals of flower. Now we are going to make bead stitch using this brown colored thread. We are using all the strands of the thread, 6 strands, and we are going to make the center portion of our sunflower. This is how we are making it. Okay. Like this. We are going to make this pattern of bee's path from brown color using 3 strands of thread, and with the same stem stitch. Okay. You can also make your clothes look lovely by making these hand embroideries. This we will make the whole path. We are going to make honeybee wings with this light brown color and using 3 strands of thread, and we are making stem stitch the same as our stem of flower, the same stitch we have used for the path and now for the bee wings. Make all the 4 wings with the same stitch. Now we are going to fill the center portion of our honeybee with the satin stitch. We are using this dark brown color, and we have also used the yellow color in the same way. Like this. In the same way, fill the whole portion. We are making our bee's horns with the help of stem stitch. like this. We will make the same pattern in all the shirt and we will then show you the final look. We will make the same bead stitch in the second flower in the same way, and the leaves are also made with the lazy daisy stitch. Like this we are making it permanently fixed. Oh mashallah, our one flower and our one pattern is complete. If you like it, like and subscribe our channel. Like and subscribe our channel and also tell in comment section whether you like it. Okay, so we have made this pattern all over the shirt and now we are making in the upper portion like this. And the same pattern we have made on the sleeves, sunflower.